So we've come back to the Oak House Therapy Centre in Old Hatfield, which we planted up, I can't believe it was about 12 months ago. When we were asked to come here, this area had really struggled for many years to have any plants that would grow, as it doesn't actually get any direct sun. So we designed a shady border, we planted it to fit between the lovely buttresses of what was, I think, an old chapel. I haven't been back for 12 months. They've looked after the plants really well. Even though we had a terrible drought last summer, the soil was much improved and mulched. They've obviously watered things, and plants have grown amazingly. I'm so pleased. It really does feel therapeutic. This is probably the most shady area of the whole site, this little corner here. It just works so lovely with the old steps here. What you'll notice really is that shady plants is not all about like gaudy colour and bright colours. It's like subtle shades. There's not a lot of flower here, but it just feels right. And also pretty easy to maintain. All you really have to do is obviously watering the first year, removing some of the old leaves, because even evergreens lose the leaves as new ones grow. And there's things here that will flower in the winter, like the Helleborus, the heuchera and the heucherella. The ferns are looking good, and there's some fuchsias in here as well, which flower later in the summer. And I've noticed a little hydrangea popping up there. I really can't believe it's only been 12 months. Look at the size of that. It's so happy here. Absolutely loving it. The campanula can grow in sun as well. That works so good, that pop of blue. We've got things for the winter, like the little sarcococca here, which is the winter box. This is a lovely white scented flower in the winter. That's bulletproof, hardy evergreen. And look at that. I love that fern with the reddish sort of pinky leaves. And in front of that links in with the heuchera. So we've got the heuchera, the fern, the lovely carex grass, the campanula. They're just great plants for this sort of aspect. They just look so right here, and they're so happy.